Bururi ugithiaga na mbere na gucakaya gikuo gia Kenneth Gideon Matiba, andu aingi marakoretwo magieterera ndumiriri ya macakaya kuma kuri uria wari President Daniel Arap Moi na uria wirikanaga ati niwe wacungiririe murimo wa Matiba. Wetereri wa Kenya wakinya muthia riria murio wa Moi uria nowe Seneta wa Baringo Gideon Moi kuri mutumia wa Matiba Kenneth Matiba na President Moi arerikana ati acakaite Matiba ta njamba ya bururi. Kamiti iria iratabania mathiko ma Matiba yugite ati mibango yothe nirikite na ikoria a Kenya makeyumiria kwa uingi muthenya wa aramithi kiharo-ini kia ihura kugira Matiba uhoro. Kamiti ona kuri uguo ithiete na mbere na gutumia iguru ria kana mwiri wa Matiba ni guthikwo gathikwo kana ni gucinwo kuringana na wendi wake.
We are here in a very free environment, in a free democratic environment, mainly because of the efforts of the late Kenneth Matiba and his colleagues in terms of what is called now the second liberation.
We would like to invite Kenyans, as many Kenyans as possible, to come to those two venues which have been advised, to give him a sending befitting of a son of Kenya.
Arita njira ya gutia Matiba, thirikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a yugite ati no iguthie na mbere na kuheana urigitani wa maitho na magego utari na marihi thibitari-ini wa Kenneth Matiba mwena wa Keno, ekongerera ati mubango ucio ugutamburukio nginyagia thutha wa mathiko.
Na turenda andu a Murang'a othe magoka na counties iria ingi na aria othe marathondekwo anonyende muthenya ucio tuge tutikwamba guthondekwo ki magego tombe tutuike kethe mundu raguthondeka magego uratumathondekwo magego nae wena magego urathondekwo nake niguo araumagario. Koguo horo wa kumagario kwa Matiba ni turori andu othe magoka na turetanya thamaki wa bururi.
Muthenya wa Jumatano ni gugakorwo na mitha ya mathiko iria igatabanirio kanitha-ini wa All Saints guku Nairobi, na thutha ucio barabara ciothe irore kiharo-ini kia ihura kaunti-ini ya Murang'a mitha-ini ya mwisho ya kugira Matiba uhoro. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.